Engineers and designers have presented an array of groundbreaking products at the VivaTech conference in Paris, with the aims of expanding the robotic fields, allowing all to take part in technology that may soon be a part of our everyday life. Amongst the stalls focused on tech giants were startups and younger companies like robots developer InMove. InMove founder says his creation was the first open-source 3D printed life-size robot. After beginning work on a prosthetic hand in 2011, he went on to construct further technology, putting the code for each body part online for all to use.
About 7 years ago now, I created the first hand of this robot, and I've put it on the internet available as prosthetic hand. So it became the first prosthetic open source hand available. And from there was many projects developed. And it triggered in me like, wow, this is incredible. 70,000 downloads in 2 months of the hand. I kept on designing the rest of the parts, like bicep, shoulder, torso, head. And every time I design a part, I share it on the internet and make it available so everyone can follow the project.
Available to replicate on any home 3D printer, Langvin hopes by sharing the technology, he can prompt people to focus on using robotics for good, as opposed to firms looking for profitable robots.
The students, they download the parts, they reproduce the robot. It's free, okay? They work on it. It's an open source free robot. That's already something. They think, whoa, I got this thing for free. Should I share something? I want to transform a part of the robot, I'm gonna share it on the internet. And then further than that, I want to work on the artificial intelligence, work as a community, and develop something that is open source. So I think it's in this path that it's bringing something different.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Alice. Je suis un robot semi-humanoïde.
Another manufacturer, Cybdoid, hopes to use its semi-humanoid robot to help in hospitals or care homes.
Les cobots sont des machines qui sont plus des outils destinés à travailler.
Collaborative robots are machines which are tools meant to work and carry out tasks and missions. The cobot has evolved in relatively secure environments because they are very efficient, and service robots evolved in non-secured environments because they are relatively limited. With Alice, the robot, we have worked to develop the first service cobot, that is a machine capable of carrying out tasks, but in a non-secured environment. For example, here at VivaTech, it's that which differentiates its concept a little bit from its competitors.
Designed to interact directly with humans, it's called a cobot, or collaborative robot, and can shake hands, sing, dance, and respond to its owner in polite language.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Alice. Je suis un robot semi-humanoïde.
Hello, I am Alice. I am a semi-humanoid robot. A few months old, developed and built in Limoges, I am a concept bot which foreshadows the technology of the next generation of the Cybdoid robot.
Cybdoid CEO Fabien Reinbold says he hopes that continued development can see robots have a place in homes across the world.
Les cobots sont des machines qui sont plus des outils destinés.
I really think there are attempts to automate everything. Many small robots, every country has a robot, and I think they will have a humanoid appearance, because with a humanoid appearance in form, they can use the same machines and tools as us without needing the machines to be automated. Therefore, it saves money. It's more complicated to develop, but it's much more economical and pragmatic.
The 3-day-long events brings together startups and industry leaders from across the world in order to foster creative exchange.
A batch of meal delivery drones started trial operation in Shanghai. The drone delivery service is now only available in the Shanghai Jinshan Industrial Park with a range of 58 square kilometers. The drones, which can significantly increase the delivery time, will cover 70% of the distribution routes in the future. Apart from improving the delivery efficiency, the drones can also save the labor cost against the booming demand for meal delivery service.
If the mule order grows to an extent, it will be hard for us to find so many couriers and we will face a problem of labor shortage.
The delivery drones are designed to fly at a height of about 70 meters, with each carrying no more than 5 kilometers. All the drones are equipped with sensors for the drone controllers to carry out real-time monitoring and intervening in case some emergencies happen. The delivery routes of drones are mainly above those areas with few people.
When designing the delivery route, we did not pick the straight line between 2 points for seeking quick success. Our delivery routes are all above those less crowded areas, such as green belts and rivers.
The drones are operated by L.me, the online meal delivery platform backed by e-commerce giant Alibaba Group Holding Limited. A total of 17 drone delivery routes have been approved.